Okay, so now today our lesson is Jazam. What's our lesson, Suhail?
Jazam.
What is Jazam? You know about that?
Yes.
What is Jazam?
Jazam is like a a word that comes top from letters.
No, 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 no. Jazam is a sign that comes on top of the letter. Jazam
The
is a
sign.
sign. Jazam sign is also called Sukoon. Okay.
Okay.
Jazam is a sign. Jazam is a sign like a dal. This. Okay.
Okay.
This sign come in the top of any letters like jim, ha, kha, alif, ba, ta, sa, jim. Alif to ya, it come in any letter. Okay. This
Okay.
sign is called jazm. What's called?
Jazam.
Jazm. Okay, so how can we read the jazm? You know about that?
Yes.
How?
Jazam comes top from letters.
My question is that how can we read jazm letter?
Um.
Hmm?
Because
How can we read jazm letter? My question is that. So we can read jazm letter with combining its previous letter. We can
you
read
can.
jazm or letter with combining it with its previous letter. Okay, we can read jazm letter with combining its with combining with its previous letter. Okay, you understand this well?
Yes.
What is jazm? A dal sign come top of the letter is called jazm.
Yes.
How can we read jazm? We read jazm
With
letter with combining its
with
previous letter.
previous letter.
Okay. Third question. How much time we read the jazm letter? So the answer is we read jazm letter only one time, combining with its previous letter. We read jazm letter only one time. Okay, so here
Okay.
this is okay. You remember you understand all these three lines.
Yeah.
A dal sign come top of the letter is called jazm or sakin. A letter which have jazm. Okay. This is also important question. The question is that a letter which have jazm, what is it called? So the answer is a letter which have jazm is
Salam alaikum.
called sakin. Wa alaikum assalam wa
However,
rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
which have jazm is called zaking.
Is called Sakina letter. Wait a minute. Uh, I will check also one thing. Okay, just have one mistake. Jazam or Sukoon. Okay,
Okay.
you understand all these four lines?
Yes.
A dal sign is called Jazam. A letter which have Jazam is called Sakin. Okay, we can read
Okay.
Jazam letter with combining with its previous letter. We read Jazam letter only one time. Now come to the next page. I give you some examples. We will. I'll give you some examples. Wait a minute. Suppose this is a letter. What's the name of this letter? What's the name of this letter?
Jim.
G. And what sign is have it have?
Jazm sign.
Jazam sign. So what's the gene called? Gene called Sakin. Gene Sakin.
Jim
Okay.
second.
Now it's a gene Sakin. Wait, I will highlight everything so you can easily understand. You already know that this is Jazam
Yes.
and this is Jim Sakin. Jim Sakin. if Jazam come on the top of Ba, then it's Ba Sakin. Okay. Suppose this is a Ba that have a Jazam. Okay. So what's called? It's called Ba Sakin.
Basakin.
What is it called?
Basakin.
Okay, give me a minute. This one is Ba Sakin.
Basakin.
And the same pattern with all the other letters, just like if it's Jazam came on the top of Ta, it's Ta Sakin, Noon Sakin, Mim Sakin. Okay,
Okay.
so I hope you understand this well. Now you